Hey guys, it's Jenna and today I'm going to show you how to make Barfi because Eid is right around the corner. So I'm going to be starting off by combining some full cream powdered milk with 1 tin of this Nestle cream. It is a specific blue tin that you usually use when you're making Barfi. So I'm just going to be adding that to the powdered milk and I'm just going to be using my hands, mixing it together until it's nicely incorporated. It will be a little bit wet, so just keep mixing it until it all dries up. Once it dries all crumbly, I'm going to be adding it to a food processor to make it easier and make it smoother. So you can use a sieve if you want, but this is just way easier. So you're just going to process this until it's nice and very small. You don't want chunky pieces of milk in your Barfi. We're going to set that aside once it's all crumbled, and then we're going to be working on our pack or our sugar mixture. Key part of making Barfi. So it might be a little tricky, but just go along with it. So you're just going to add some water, some sugar, your spices. You can add your ginger, your elychee, as much as you like, and you're just going to be stirring this on low to medium heat until it starts to thickens up and it does not start threading. So you don't want to see when you dip your spoon it comes out too thick. It should be a little flowy and just about barely falling off the spoon like how it's looking there. Once that is like that, we're going to be adding this to our crumbled powdered mixture. And you want to be very careful. This is very hot and can burn very badly. So you're going to be mixing it in or adding it in and then mixing it in very carefully. So what I do sometimes, this could be tricky. So I add a little at a time and then depending on the mixture and how it's looking, then I add in the rest. If you want to do that, you can do that just to be safe. So this part, just be careful again, guys. Mix it up until everything is nice and mixed in there. If it is a little wet, that's okay. You don't want it too wet though. So that's why you can add a little of the pack at a time. So stir it until it's all nicely combined. It will start to get hard on you because the sugar will continue to harden up the sugar mixture. So once you have it all combined, I'm going to be adding it to a greased baking tray or any tray that you have. And I'm just going to be putting it in and I'm going to be using my hands and pressing it down until it's nice and smooth. It's going to be pretty hot. So you want to be careful. I use a little water, just a little bit on my hands to kind of make it a little easier. I'm just going to press this down until it's firm, until it's nice and even. And then I'm going to be adding my sprinkles on it. You can add as much as you like. And what I like to do is just use a knife and cut the pieces. You don't want to remove it yet, but it makes it easier when it does cool to take out the individual pieces of Barfi. So I'm just going to use a knife and just cut it into whatever size Barfi you want. And then I'm just going to let this rest. And that is it for your regular Barfi, guys. Easy, simple, but you want to pay attention to that pack. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Give this recipe a try. Eid is right around the corner, so let's make some Barfi.